Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm gonna do a little quick update on the Robinhood portfolio. We're at 34,840 for the past week. We've been slowly recovering, right? We were up 5%, still not back to where we were a month ago. In the beginning of August, we were at 42,000. Now it's September, getting close. Time is flying really fast, man. Really quick. Past month we're down 4.36%. Yeah, because we were at $42,000 in the beginning of August, and now we're at 34. So we're slowly making our way back to where we were before. I think we will slowly make our way back up to that top, unless something bad happens. There's always drama. Once a month, there's always something going on in the economy or the stock market or news that brings the market down or up. You always know that. Year to date, we're up 37%, and 1 year we're only up 18%. Right, we're slowly getting back up. At one point, this portfolio was up to $50,000, so we're trying to make our way back up there, but we have hit huge losses. Right, I don't really talk about Ethereum. Just eventually I would like to get one coin, and if my portfolio gets bigger, I think every $50,000 I have in this portfolio, or I'd like to have a coin or two. So that's probably what I would do with Ethereum, just to have a little bit of diversity into crypto. But you can see, not that much. I only have $1,100 in it. 2% of my total portfolio is in it, and I have 11.13% up total. Like I said, if I would like to have a coin for every $50,000 or more, maybe one or two coins. I would like to have two coins eventually, so I can have some diversity, be exposed into crypto, just in case crypto does go crazy, like people say. Ethereum to 5,000, Ethereum to 10,000 eventually. I think eventually it will happen, but I don't know how long that would take. Then we're gonna go to our stock holdings. Shopify, my biggest position, you already know. I think in Shopify, we're slowly making our way back up. I think we'll hit $80 by the end of the year, if not more than that. But you can see the trend, man. Shopify, love Shopify, only down 3.74%. I love my position in it. Eventually it's gonna be $20,000, and 30, then 40, then 50, especially if it gets back to where it was before. And where it was before, $170. So it's a little more than 2x, almost 3 times where it is right now. So we'll take a little while to get back to that point, but I think eventually we will get back to that point if it does 3x. And if it does 3x, this is going to be a $50,000 position. And I would like to get 300 shares in this eventually, so I can start selling some options. So whenever I see dips on this, I would like to buy some. PayPal, basically my newest position, the newest position I bought. Decent amount in. I had about $10,000 in it, but I'm down 8.23%. I think with my average cost and where PayPal is and the risk reward to it, I think I am happy with the position I am right now. Eventually, I believe this one will. I don't know if it will go back to all-time highs, but I think it has the potential to get back into the hundreds, if not $200 range in the next couple of years. We'll all have to see what they have envisioned for the future with the CEO plans, with the new CEO and all that. So I'm happy with this one. Then we go to the one that's bringing down the portfolio tremendously, NEO. I have a love-hate relationship with this one, man. Sometimes I want to buy it just to bring my average cost down a lot, but then I know that I'm gonna have way too much into this position because I'm down 18,000. Right? If we were just break even with this position, we would have had $25,000. If we were just break even, NEO would be my biggest position by quite a bit, and that's the reason why I do not average down a lot more on this. Right? My average cost is $36. If you guys know, I use this calculator that you put in some numbers, and if I was to put in buy 500 shares of NEO at this price, my average cost would go down into low 20s or something like that, or mid 20s or something like that. Yeah, that would be awesome, right? because I do believe Neo. I think this last quarter that we had was the worst quarter we're ever going to have from now on with Neo. Especially if we can stay average 20K deliveries and if not go higher. And I think this is just the beginning of the uptrend for Neo. Slowly, right? I don't think we'll ever go back down under where we were $7, right? I think we're slowly gonna start making a way. We already kind of hit like a support line. We're making like plateauing right now, so I think right now it's kind of like the bottom. And any good news, we'll slowly make our way up, right? Because come on, I think from now on we're only gonna start moving upwards slowly, unless something really bad happens, right? Then we'll probably go back down. But like I said, I don't think that's going to happen. But I am no financial advisor. This is just entertainment purposes, guys. Remember that. But this one, yeah, down 70%, right? I would need a 3x, more than 3x my money, or 3x. This needs a 3x, more than 3x to get my initial investment back, right? Initial investment. So Neo would have to be, what is it, 1836, a $54 billion company before, and for me to get my money back, right? And of course, Neo used to be a $60 stock, right? With all the EV hype. Will it ever reach that? Man, it is hard to tell. I would need to see a lot of good moves with Neo from now on. They're planning on doing lots of things. They have a good vision, but we need to see some execution, right? We need to see some execution, right? So far, these past 2 months, I'm happy if we can keep on doing that. I think Neo will slowly continue to go up, and that's what I want to see. Consistency. I don't want to see no up and down. Like we get 20,000 deliveries one day, then the 1 month, and then the next month we get 12,000, and then the next month we get 24. I don't want to see that. I want to see consistently the same and slowly going up. Slowly 20,000, 22,000, maybe 24,000, something like that. That would be nice, right? The next one we have here is Palantir. Also something that I really want to slowly build up the position in. But right now, I don't have that much funds, right? But I would like to build this up to be equal to where I have my Neo position in. So I would like to almost double this, close to double it. I think we have some time with Palantir. I think with the way I would play Palantir is the way I would play Tesla right now. Is whenever I see huge down days, I'll buy some, right? I'll buy some, but I'll treat Palantir as if I would treat these other 3 companies. Where if there's a big like down day, we see Tesla or Meta or Amazon down 5% or plus, I'll probably add to those positions and slowly grow it over time, because I think Palantir long term will be huge, right? Huge. But time will tell, right? Time will tell. And this is just another position I started. PayPal, newest position. Palantir, a little older. And then we can go to these 3 right here: Tesla, Meta, and Amazon. These ones right here, these ones are the ones I'm mostly interested in growing, right? I only have $900 in this. I'm up 48%. Very nice. I think long-term Tesla will continue to grow, obviously. Same thing with Meta. But Meta is one of those stocks, man. It just continues to go up. We had an opportunity to buy some at these 2 dips. These 2 3 dips. And I think now it looks like it's starting to go up, right? But I only have $359. I'm up 82% on this. Wish I would have bought some more. But like I said, whenever you see those dips, for me personally, I'm going to buy. Amazon, same thing. Amazon can be $180. I think it could be a $180 stock. So I need to be ready to start buying, right? It's ready to start buying Amazon. I'm up for 25%, but this is $230 position, right? Then we're going to go to these other 3 stocks that I have here, and some stocks that I'm not that are just there, right? Are just here that I bought a little bit in, and then I really didn't check on it that much. ChargePoint down 48%, right? 48%. And then the next one we have here, IIPR, something that I'm actually kind of interested in. I need to do some more research, right, on this. Kind of my cannabis play down 16%. Love the dividend on this. Is it sustainable? I have no idea. But I need to do more research on IIPR. Maybe I would like to add this one up. Maybe once I start building out these other ones, I can build out this position to be like a dividend play that I have, but it is paying decent, like at $5.40 for what I have right here in this position. Not bad at all, right? Not bad at all. Down 60%. This used to be like a almost $300 stock, I think, at one point, like $270. Oh yeah, $270, almost $280 at one point. So gotta keep my eye open on IIPR. Same thing with MP. I think another one that I'm interested in, but I need to do a little more research because I did buy a long time ago and I don't really remember that much about it. So I need to do more research on this one. Down 31%. Is this another one that's kind of trending upwards? It's kind of stagnating. Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, it's been downtrending. Yeah. This one was, I think, was a play on precious metals for batteries, kind of like as long as EVs continue to grow, that this company will continue to grow as well with that EV industry, because those batteries need precious metals. This one's going to supply the precious metals with this mining company. But yeah, that's a little quick update on the portfolio. My outlook right now is continue to grow these four positions: Palantir, Tesla, Meta, Amazon. Specifically these three. Palantir I have a decent position in. We'd like to grow it more, but we'll want to grow Tesla, Meta, Amazon to rival these three: Shopify, PayPal, and Neo. These are more secure, safer plays that will still grow money more. I think these ones will grow more than just having money in this. Where right now Robinhood is paying like, I think, close to 5% on your cash. I think those three stocks will give you more than that. But remember, I'm no financial advisor. Do your own due diligence. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.